Today I'm going to show you how to make these origami folded bookmarks. There's a chicken, a monster, and a rabbit. The first step is making the basic folded bookmark. I have here a square that's 4 inches by 4 inches. First, I'm going to fold it diagonally along this line here. And now I need to bring this edge up to here, but to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to fold it in half so I can see exactly where I need to fold it. Open it back up. There you go. Now I can see my line. I'm going to fold this up to the line. Nice and strong. Now the other side. Crease those edges. Alright, now open those back up again. Now you're going to bring this corner down to this corner right here. Fold it down. And then you're going to take this, fold it back up again, and tuck it down underneath inside. Crease that. Now do the same thing with the other side. There. Crease that one too. There. Now we've got our folded bookmark. And I'll show you how you can use this as a bookmark. Let me grab a book. Find a page. Stick it on the corner. And there. Now my page is kept for me. There it is. To make a chicken, you're going to need a folded origami bookmark in white. Alright, you're going to also need a glue stick, some scissors, some orange paper, and some red paper. First thing is we're going to do the beak. We're going to cut a corner right here. Just a nice little corner. Triangle. Let's see how that size is. That's a little bit too big. Let's make that smaller. Okay. Here's his beak. It's going to go right there, but we're not going to glue it down yet. First, we're going to do the thing that goes underneath his beak. And to do that, we're going to make a heart shape. So I'm going to fold this in half and then so that my heart will be nice and symmetrical. There, and then you open it up, put the beak on top of it, and that's what his beak will look like with the thing underneath. Now it's time to make his feet. You're also going to make a heart. 2 hearts, in fact, 1 for each foot. But this one, you're going to make your hearts a bit taller and skinnier than the heart from earlier. Alright. Now it's time to grab the glue stick and start gluing things down. Now we're also going to need the thing that goes on the top of his head. So I'm going to cut that out right here. I'll use a pen to get the shape that I want. And then cut it out. Time to glue it on. Now don't forget to add some eyes. There he is. That's a cute little chicken. To make the rabbit, you're going to need an origami folded bookmark in the color blue. A glue stick, a marker, some scissors, and you'll need another strip of blue, a little bit of pink, and a little tiny bit of white. And you do not need that red. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the ears. Now to make sure that my ears are symmetrical, I'm going to fold it in half so that I only need to cut it one time and I get 2 out of it. I'm going to use my marker to draw my ears nice and long so I know exactly what shape I'm going to get. Okay, now we need to do the inside of the ear, and we're going to do that in pink. I'm going to do the same thing again where I fold it in half so that I've got two edges. This one you're going to make a similar size, but you're going to make it smaller so that it fits inside. Use the marker again to help out with that. And cut it out. And let's size those up, see if they make a nice fit on there. Yep, not too bad. Now I'm going to cut out a nose. I'm going to do an oval, a small oval. Cut that out now too. Let's see how that fits. Okay, that's a pretty good size. Now we're going to do his teeth. So take your white piece, give it a little snip. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Those teeth are a little bit too big. I'm gonna cut that down a little bit. Alright, draw a line down the middle so that it looks like there's two teeth. And let's glue it down. And now it's time to put the ears on. Glue the pink part to the blue part. And glue the ears on. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, let's give it some eyes. Okay, I don't like the way those teeth look. I'm gonna move the teeth so that it's inside his mouth. So add a little bit of glue right there. Stick it on. And I don't like this nose either. I'm gonna make a bigger nose. There it is. Oh, his teeth fell down. Stick those back on. Push down on that glue. And there's the bunny. To make the monster, we're going to need a folded origami bookmark made out of a bright color and some extra colors, the colors don't matter, some scissors, a marker, and a glue stick. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out some eyes. I'm going to use a white paper, and to make sure that my eyes are both the same size, I'm going to fold it so that I only need to cut one time and I get two circles. There. Now I've got two circles. Let's see how they look on him. I love it. Big eyes. Alright, now let's make some teeth. I'm going to use the white again. I'm going to cut along the edge and do some zigzags. And this is going to get glued down right there. Looks good. Alright, now I'm going to cut some horns or ears, whatever you want them to be. I'm going to do the same trick again where I fold it in half, so I only need to cut it one time. Cut out the horns. And yeah, that looks like a good spot for them. Alright, time to start gluing things down. and see how he looks. He's missing a tongue. I'm gonna make him a tongue. I'm gonna grab some pink left over from the bunny. Cut that off so I have a straight edge. And make a nice long tongue. Put some glue on the top. There. There it is. Cute little monster.